morning to all of you. In this video, myself Arshna, and our today's topic is learning about late medieval period and establishment of Delhi Sultanate with Sharia dynasty. So let's start. मैंने आपको अपनी पिछली वीडियो में शैया डायनेस्टी के बारे में बता दिया था, तो अब हम डायरेक्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं शैया डायनेस्टी के पहले रूलर से। शैया डायनेस्टी के पहले रूलर थे खिज्र खान, who ruled from 1414 to 1421 AD. He was the founder of this dynasty. He helped in Timur's invasion because he was the governor of Multan. He did not assume the title of Sultan, ruled as Timur's vassal and used the title of Riyati Allah, Viceroy. Did not strike coins or read khutbah in his own name. Instead did it in the name of Timur and later his successor Shah Rukh. His reason faced continuous revolts from nobles and he had weak control beyond Delhi and Punjab region. Second ruler Mubarak Shah, who ruled from 1421 to 1434 AD, son and successor of Khizr Khan. Unlike his father, he assumed the royal title of Sultan, faced continuous revolts from the nobles and rival chiefs. Control was limited mainly to Delhi and Doab region was limited mainly to built the Mubarak Shah's tomb, an early example of octagonal tomb architecture in Delhi, predecessor to Lodi style. Patron of scholars like Yahya bin Ahmad Sirhindi wrote Tariq-i-Mubarak Shahi during his reign. Third ruler Muhammad Shah, who ruled from 1434 to 1443 AD. He ruled from 1434 to 1443 AD. He was the nephew and successor of Mubarak Shah. His reign is often described as weak and ineffective and leading to the decline of the Shia dynasty. Territory shrank considerably under his as provincial governors. Asserted independence depended heavily on the nobles, could not exercise strong central authority, faced pressure from Sharqi rulers or Jaunpur and Malwa Sultanate, weakening Delhi further. Delhi Sultanate reduced largely to surrounding districts during his rule. Last ruler Alauddin Alam Shah, who ruled from 1443 to 1451 AD. Last ruler of this dynasty, son of Muhammad Shah, known for being a weak and a pleasure-loving ruler, uninterested थे वो, और you can say uninterested in administration or expansion, abandoned Delhi in 1448 CE and shifted to Badon, leaving the capital virtually leaderless. Continued to rule in name till 1451 CE, but real power collapsed in 1451 CE. The Afghan noble Behlol Lodhi took over Delhi, marking the end of Shia dynasty and the beginning of the Lodi dynasty. इसमें चार ही रूलर थे और ये चारों के चारों रूलर वीक थे, तो नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट इनके बारे में पढ़ना। उसके बाद लोधी डायनेस्टी के फर्स्ट रूलर थे बहलूल लोधी and he ruled from 1451 to 1489 AD, founder of the dynasty, the last dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate, and Afghan Pashtun noble. अच्छा, एक चीज़ आपको बता दूं कि इससे पहले लोधी डायनेस्टी से पहले जितने भी डायनेस्टी थी दिल्ली सल्तनत की, वो सारे डायनेस्टी कौन सी थी? वो सारी डायनेस्टी जो थी वो टर्क थी, टर्किश डायनेस्टी थी सारी, और ये जो लास्ट डायनेस्टी थी लोधी डायनेस्टी, यही सिर्फ एक डायनेस्टी अफगान थे। ठीक है, earlier governor of Sirhind under the Shayyads, expanded the Sultanate by bringing Jaunpur and Shamshabad under control, adopted a conciliatory policy towards Afghan nobles to consolidate power. Sikandar Lodi, second ruler, who ruled from 1489 to 1517 AD, son of Behlul Lodi, real name Nizam Khan, took the title of Sikandar Shah after accession. The most successful ruler shifted the capital from Delhi to Agra in 1504 CE, strengthening control in Doab region, extended territory, brought Bihar and Bengal under his influence, known for good administration, controlled markets and regulated prices, improved agriculture, and introduced yardstick of measurement. Ghazi Sikandari religious policy. Orthodox Sunni destroyed some temples, imposed restrictions on Shias and non-Muslims, but patronized Persian culture, patron of arts, literature and Persian language, encouraged poets and scholars, established many gardens, mosques and irrigation works, died in 1517 CE. Oh God. Last ruler Ibrahim Lodi, who ruled from 1517 to 1526 AD, last ruler of the Delhi Sultanate, son of Sikandar Lodi, known for being young, arrogant and harsh towards nobles, led to discontent among Afghan chiefs, faced internal rebellions, nobility, Afghan chiefs and Rajputs. Rana Sanga of Mewar challenged his authority in Rajasthan. Nobles, especially Daulat Khan Lodi and Alauddin Lodi, invited Babur of Kabul to invade India. Fought first battle of Panipat 1526 CE against Babur. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated and killed. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. आज का वीडियो हम यहीं पे एंड करते हैं और मैं आपको फोर्स नहीं करी, बट इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन लर्निंग विथ मी और इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर. और मैंने आपको बताया अगर आपको कोई डाउट हो तो आप मेरी शॉर्ट वीडियोस पे कमेंट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि लॉन्ग वीडियोस पे कमेंट मेरे पता नहीं कोई कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, इस वजह से कमेंट्स नहीं आ पाते हैं. तो आप मेरी किसी भी शॉर्ट वीडियोज़ पे, चाहे वो शॉर्ट वीडियोज़ किसी से भी रिलेटेड हो, मेरे अगर हैं तो मेरे चैनल के अगर शॉर्ट वीडियोज़ पे आप कमेंट करोगे तो मैं शॉर्ट वीडियोज़ को देखूंगी और आप बता दीजिएगा कि किस पार्ट के बारे में, पार्ट का नाम देके, वीडियो का नाम देके, और आप डाउट पूछ सकते हैं. और अगर मेरे से कोई गलती हुई हो तो आई एम सॉरी फॉर इट. थैंक यू सो मच.